What's the meaning of Bible-thumper? Bible-thumper. Bible-thumper.
Bible-thumper. Bible-thumper. The term Bible-thumper is a derogatory slang term used to describe someone who was seen as overly zealous or fanatical in their religious beliefs, particularly within the context of Christianity. The term implies that such a person is constantly beating or pounding their Bible to make a point or to convince others of their beliefs. It can also imply a lack of critical thinking or blind adherence to dogmatic beliefs. While some may use the term affectionately, it is generally considered offensive and disrespectful to those who hold sincere religious convictions. It is important to remember to approach differing beliefs with respect and openness to dialogue.